So I moved to this apartment last year before pandemic hit us, thinking this place is where I will have my peaceful space. I believe that our home tells a great story and experience. Talking about space, I remember not having a bedroom for myself until I moved to United States. Whereas I grew up in a joint family and we all sleep side by side. Later, I was sent to a boarding school in which we slept on bunk bed. Eventually, those were best innocent memories, and my family did the best of what they can, and I'm thankful. During my college and internship days, I was in hostel for 5 years. I didn't realize how important space is for the mental health. After my internship, we have four close friends in one bedroom apartment living together, and we did a small decoration and slept on the floor over mattress. Unfortunately, our fun bachelorette left only for a few years, and we all moved out for our next journey. It was a bittersweet moment of my life, but I have decided to let go and trust my future. The best thing about living a simple life is that you don't need much to be happy, and I'm happy right now to have this space and the person who I love the most. I hope this video brings the best in you and your mental well-being. And welcome again to my YouTube channel, and thank you for supporting me.